If you want to create a payment link on Whop, this video will walk you through the exact steps from start to finish. It's a simple process, but if you know where to click, you can set up a professional checkout link in just a few minutes. This is perfect if you sell digital products, memberships, subscriptions, services, or anything that needs a clean checkout experience. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to whop.com. Then sign in to your merchant account. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on your home feed. This is important because Whop has several sections, and you want to start from the main merchant dashboard so you can access the right tools without getting lost. Now look at the left-hand navigation sidebar and click on Dashboard. Before you do anything else, double-check that you've selected the correct business from the Whop selector in the top left corner. If you manage more than one business, this step matters a lot because the payment link will be created under whichever business is currently active. So take a second here and confirm everything is correct. Once you're in the dashboard, go to the left panel and locate Checkout Links. Click that option to open the Checkout Link portal. This is the area where you can create and manage all of your payment links in one place. If you've never used it before, don't worry, it's very straightforward once you know the layout. Now look toward the top right area of the screen and click the plus Create Checkout Link button. This opens the setup flow for your new payment link. The first thing you'll need to do is select a product, click the product drop-down menu, and choose the exact product this link should sell. This could be a course, a community, a digital download, a coaching offer, or any other item you've already set up inside Whop. Next, you'll see the description field. This is optional, but it's a great place to add a short note explaining what customers will receive when they use the link. A clear description can help reduce confusion and improve conversions, especially if your offer has multiple features or bonuses. Keep it short, direct, and easy to understand. After that, move on to pricing and payment type. This is where you decide how people will be billed when they click the link. If you choose free, users can claim access without entering payment details. That's useful for free trials, lead magnets, or free communities. If you choose one time, you can set a single fixed price for lifetime access. That works well for permanent access products or one-off purchases. If you choose recurring, you can set a subscription price and choose the billing period, such as weekly, monthly, or yearly. This is the best option for memberships or ongoing services. Once your billing model is selected, choose your accepted payment methods. Whop lets you toggle options like credit or debit card, PayPal, Apple Pay, ACH, or crypto depending on what's available for your account and region. It's a good idea to enable the payment methods your audience is most likely to use, because making checkout easier can improve your conversion rate. Now let's talk about advanced options, because this is where you can really customize the link. Click on Advanced Options to open the extra settings. One useful setting is Stock, which lets you limit the exact number of people who can use the link. That's great if you're running a limited capacity offer or want to control availability. Another option is Add a Waitlist. This allows you to collect card details up front without charging the customer until you manually approve them. That can be helpful if you want to review buyers before granting access. You can also enable Ask Questions Before Checkout, which prompts customers to answer specific text questions before they complete their purchase. This is useful if you want to qualify leads or collect important information before checkout. You'll also see Redirect After Checkout. This lets you send users to a custom URL automatically once payment succeeds. You might use this to send them to a welcome page, onboarding page, community instructions, or a thank you page. And if your plan supports it, you can turn on split payments, also called installments. This is especially useful for recurring or one-time plans when you want to cap charges after a certain number of billing periods. Once everything looks good, scroll down and click Create Checkout Link at the bottom of the page. Whop will generate the link right away, and in many cases it will automatically copy it to your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you need. You can now place that link on your website, in your emails, in your social bio, inside DMs, or anywhere else you want people to buy. If you need the link again later, just go back to the Checkout Links tab and click the chain icon next to the link to copy it again. That makes it easy to reuse and manage your checkout links without creating a new one every time. And that's it. You now know how to create a payment link on Whop, customize the pricing, choose your payment methods, and fine-tune the advanced settings to match your offer. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.